technology that perfectly connects different materials. Precision bonding required for all industries from automobiles, electrical and electronic appliances, to home appliances. Design, manufacturing, quality, environment, key technology that determines perfection. DmT-s creates the optimal solution based on chemical and physical expertise. Connection beyond bonding. Trust beyond technology. DmT-s. Since its establishment in 1988, DmT-s has been a specialized company in joining technology that values challenge, change, and innovation as its top priorities, and supplies sealing equipment, inspection vision systems, and heterogeneous joining equipment for production lines that require the joining of parts. Innovative product services such as manufacturing, installation, test operation, and AS improve the perfection of customers' products. DmT-s does not neglect to provide products that companies need by closely understanding the ever-changing market trends and customer demands through product development for customer satisfaction, and goes one step further and pioneers new markets and demands based on innovation. With excellent technological prowess through generous investment in R&D, we are constantly making efforts to improve product perfection and develop services that can supply the technology that customers need most efficiently and economically. DmT-s's Technology Research Center that develops products that meet high standards for high-performing technology, efficient services, and productivity is raising the standards of products and services right here. DmT-s's products are supplied to chemical bonding, thermal management material application equipment, physical bonding, and vision inspection. Apply structure adhesive to various joints of body panels. Used for water tightness, rust prevention, and strong panel adhesion to reduce or eliminate spot welding. Apply mastic sealer between the outer and inner panels of the body panel. It is foamed and hardened and used for filling, adhesion, and vibration damping. It is applied to a method of applying a single pattern without changing the swirl pattern by directly rotating the nozzle using a BLDC motor. BPR, high viscosity sealer, is heated to a certain temperature. Its viscosity is lowered, and it is sprayed at high pressure to apply it to curved and stepped areas. Double BPR, epoxy material is double coated on top of rubber material to prevent denting, and it is an extruded type application method, not a spray type. Considering the characteristics of the gap filler material, a wear-resistant design and material adhesion prevention function were applied, and it can extend the equipment's service life and improve productivity. We provide solutions that meet customer needs through various types of pattern application, using pre-foaming and shaving technology, and implement high productivity such as CT reduction. Considering the rapid room temperature foaming and precipitation characteristics of the foaming potting material, stirring function, precipitation prevention circulation function, and cleaning function were applied. And it can improve productivity by minimizing downtime, such as mixer replacement. We provide the optimal solution that meets customer needs through quantitative control method and structural change of the mixing head according to the characteristics of various materials. Hot melt material does not use any water or solvent and is 100% solid at room temperature, non-volatile, non-flammable, thermoplastic, and is harmless to the human body, environmentally friendly, and has no fire risk. It is a hot melt adhesive that is applied to the adherent in liquid form at high temperatures, cools and solidifies within seconds after compression, and shows adhesive strength and is faster than solvent-type and water-soluble adhesives, so high-speed work is possible. We provide various solutions that satisfy customer requirements by applying pattern application technologies such as line application, spray application, and swirl application that take into account the characteristics of these materials. Due to the weight reduction of vehicles and the application of high-strength lightweight materials, spot welding is difficult, so a self-piercing riveting method is used to press the rivet using a punch. This is a technique for joining without prior hole processing. This is a technology for efficiently and strongly mechanically riveting dissimilar and similar materials that are difficult to spot weld. It directly penetrates the material without prior hole processing, forming a strong mechanical bond. DmT-s's vision equipment, which is excellent in environmental applicability and convenient to use, is equipped with mass defect prevention through real-time automatic inspection, history management through data storage, and a centralized data confirmation function, and is a system capable of comprehensive quality inspection. DMV500 is a device that can perform a wide 360° shooting angle, color inspection, under over-application inspection, and unapplied section inspection functions. Like this, details that enhance the perfection and safety of automobiles. This is achieved through DMTs's technology. These DMTs products are recognized for their excellent quality by domestic companies and customers in 13 countries around the world, including China, the US, and Russia. We also provide total solutions from technology review, manufacturing, delivery, to local installation and test driving. In addition, we have a local emergency response program to respond quickly to customer needs, and we are doing our best to ensure customer satisfaction through equipment stabilization, such as by installing as centers in domestic and overseas corporations and maintaining local parts inventory, and deploying resident engineers, a company trusted for customer satisfaction, DMTs. Now, we will stand tall as a global first-class sealing equipment specialist on the world stage. DMTs.